What's How's it going, guys? So, do you ever get tired of writing another cover letter for the next application you're writing? So, you're applying to 100 companies because that's what it takes these days, and you've got to write a new cover letter. But, it just doesn't scale to write 100 cover letters. So, let's see if we can automate making our cover letter. So, we need a PDF file. We need to be able to upload it. So, let's go ahead and automate this so we can write one cover letter instead of 100. So here's what I've, wait, what's going on here? Uh-oh, hold on. Let's see if I can get this to work. Okay, so here's the cover letter that I want to be able to, here's a couple I like to be able to, wherever it says Facebook, right? I want to be able to put in, Google or Amazon or Netflix or whoever it may be. I don't want to have to write this, 100 times for 100 companies that I am applying to. So let's go ahead and see if we can automate this. So let's do cover letter. So again, let's think about our input is going to be, we already have this cover letter written. We're going to input the company name, and we want it to replace everything in this cover letter with that new company name. What is going on? Oh boy. Okay. Bear with me here 1 second. Okay. Let's get to where we need to be. Cover letter. Cover letter. Okay, so we're gonna open up cover. We're gonna open up cover letter. Uh-oh. Okay, right. So this is okay. Okay, so we want to replace wherever we see Facebook. We want to replace it with whatever company name that we are giving our script. So okay, so let's make a variable. We're gonna call it cover letter, and we're going to do, so we're going to say cat, and we're going to take from standard input. In this case, we'll do an EOF. This tells it, this is like in quotation marks, it shows you where it's going to begin and end. So let's copy everything we've got here and put it here. Okay, so now let's just make sure, let's test ourselves and make sure that we're able to make sure we're able to at least print this out to the console. So let's quit that. Let's reterm. Okay, cool. There we go. So let's call bash cover letter. Okay, so this is kind of working. It's not respecting the new lines, so we'll figure out how to do that in a second. How do we do that? Okay, let's try printf. Does this work? Nope. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna figure out how to get it to respect the new lines. So we'll come back to that problem. And now we gotta figure out how do we, how can we get the date? Like, it's not gonna be April 4th every day we apply for a new cover letter, so we have to use this date function. So if you do date, what is it? Date B, %B. Okay, so that gives a month. So date %B space %day. We gotta put this in quotes. Okay, so that's the 4th. And we want to get rid of that 0 padding, so we do a minus. Okay, and now let's give it a comma and then %year. Let's see. Okay, boom, there we go. So that's our formula. We're gonna do, we can just copy it here. Copy and paste. Nice. Get rid of that. And so let's check that that's working. And that's also, we can We can make this executable, just make this easier to run every time. So we can go like this. Okay, so we see that it's still producing the correct date, so that's good. Next. So we're going to replace, everywhere we see Facebook, we're going to replace it with an input, the input argument. In Bash, we do that by doing $ and 1. So that's going to give us, that's going to be the input argument. So I do coverletter.sh, coverlettertemplate.sh, that's the 0th argument, and then the first argument is going to be our company name. Okay, so we replaced this with 1. So now let's try and test that. So we're going to do cover letter. Let's do Google. Let's see if that works. Okay, so April 4th, Google, nice. So it's replacing Facebook with Google. So that's what we like to see. Cool. So we're getting there. We're almost done. And so now we need to, what do we need to do? We need to convert this to a PDF. We need to fix the new lines. We need to like respect the new lines, and we need to convert it to a PDF. So let's convert it to a PDF and see. So let's save this to $1. So whatever company name _ cover letter.txt. And then we're going to use Pandoc. It's a tool that allows us to change file formats. We're going to turn a text file into a PDF file. So we're going to say $_cl.pdf. That's going to be our output. And our input is going to be $1 _cl.txt. And we can also copy this. We can also echo $1 txt. We can copy this to the clipboard in case we need to copy and paste it. Okay, so let's see what happens. Cover letter, let's do Google. Okay, so we've made Google. Let's take a look at our PDF. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we're almost there, but it's not, we have the new line issue. So we need to figure out how to respect the new lines. So let's search bash print new line. Okay, let's try the first link. Echo E, that's what I tried. Printf. I tried printf, I don't think that worked. So our goal, our bug right now is it's not printing the new lines. Printf. Oh, I think maybe this is it. Oh, you need quotes around it. Let's see. Cover letter. Google. Boom, that was it. Okay, so we just needed to add quotes around it. Nice. Okay. So let's add quotes. And I think that should work. Let's check a look. Okay, let's do Amazon. Okay, let's open Amazon PDF. Boom, you guys. So there you go. We have automated our cover letters, so we don't need to rewrite 100 different cover letters. We can just do a simple command. Oh, we're applying to somewhere new. Let's just run cover letter. Where else are we applying to? Airbnb. Okay, and let's take a look at Airbnb PDF. Boom, Airbnb. I'm submitting my Airbnb software engineer resume. There you go, guys. So that's how you automate your cover letters during the interview process. All right, stay tuned for the next one.